Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the next thing we're going to be moving on to, which is simplifying equations. Okay, so equations can usually be written in a more simple way. The way that we do that is by collecting like terms. Okay, so that means by adding or subtracting these like terms to make them in a more simple way, combine them together. All right, so like terms contain the same variables raised to the same power. So in most circumstances, that means that they contain the same letters, right? So the first worked example that I'm going to do with you guys will be just a nice simple one. We'll start with 3a plus 5a. Okay, so if we have 3a's and 5a's, our variables are the same. Okay, these terms are the same term because our variables or letters are exactly the same. Okay, so we can add them. Okay, so 3a plus 5a equals 8a. And that's what we've done right there is we've simplified this equation. All right, nice and simple. So if we move on to another one, example number 2, we'll do 7ab minus 3a minus 4ab. All right, so a little bit more complicated. All right, so what we need to do straight away is I know if I need to simplify this equation, okay, what I need to do is I need to find my like terms. All right, collect my like terms, my similar variables, and either minus or add them together. Okay, so 7ab, 3a, and 4ab. Straight away, I know that AB means A times B. That is different to just A. All right, so this term right here is different to these terms right here. So the only like terms we have in this example right here is the 7AB and the 4AB. Okay, so we can't do anything at all with this 3A. Okay, because it's just A. It's not the same as AB. Just A is not the same as A times B. Okay, so these 4AB and 7AB are the only like terms. All right, so what I can do here is I can take 7AB, I can subtract 4AB, which will give me 3AB, and then finish off whatever I have left, which is minus 3A, and that is my simplified equation. There's nothing more I can possibly do in this situation. Okay, this term here, 3AB, and this term 3 here, 3A, these terms are completely different. That's the simplest form that it can be in. Okay, move on to a little bit more difficult one. Example 3. So example 3 will do 2c minus 6 plus 4c plus 15. All right, so straight away what I need to do is I need to find my like terms. Okay, so 2c and 4c I know are like terms. All right, negative 6 or minus 6 and plus 15, I know they're like terms as well because those are exactly the same. They don't actually have a variable attached to it. They're just numbers. So that term there is the same as that term. We can add these together because these terms are both just numbers. They're not attached to a variable, right? Where this variable right here and this variable right here are the same. They're both c. So that term the same. That term's the same. That term and that term can be added together as well. Okay. So first off, I'm going to start with my c's. All right. So 2c plus 4c, because they're both the same variables, will give me 6c. All right, now I can minus 6 and plus 15. All right, now I know that I can simplify this even more because if I have negative 6 plus 15 is going to give me positive 9. So the answer in the simplest form would be 6c plus 9. And I've taken this equation right here and simplified it all the way down into its most simple form, which is 6c plus 9. All right, I'll do one more example for you guys. Example 4. Let's do 6m plus n by itself minus 4m minus 2n. All right, so straight away, I know I need to find my like terms, my variables that are the same. Okay, so 6m has the same variable as 4m, and I that n has the same variable as 2n. Okay, so I know I can combine this one, and I can combine the 6m with the 4m. So 6m minus 4m, all right, would be 2m. Then I can plus n minus 2n, all right. So I now have 2m plus n minus 2n, all right. Now, there's nothing more I can do with that 2m, so I can put that in because I know that's going to be in my final equation right there, because there's no other like terms that go with the m. All right, so all I need to know is I need to work with this plus n minus 2n. So if I have an n by itself, all right, I know what that means is 1n. Okay, there could be a little 1 in front of this n. Okay, n by itself means 1n. So if I have positive 1n minus 2n, I've gone back to negative 1n. So that would be minus 1n. So 2m minus n is my most simplified equation.